everyone. Myself Amit Kumar, working as assistant professor in civil engineering department. Today we are going to a new topics on admixture in concrete technology. Admixture stands for the special ingredients. It is used to improve the condition and operation of fresh concrete. They are included throughout the concrete mix. Different type of admixture are applied in construction work. Function of admixture. First one is to speed up or slow down the setting time of fresh concrete. Second is to make the applicability or flowability of concrete better. Third one is to improve the strength and longevity of concrete. Fourth is to minimize the heat of hydration and to lessen the segregation and bleeding. What is segregation? Segregation is the process in which the separation of coarse particle from the concrete is known as segregation. And bleeding, it is the process in which the water come on the concrete surface after the casting of concrete. This process is known as bleeding. Sixth is to reduce the permeability. Permeability is the of a concrete defined as it is permit to the water to concrete, and last is to obtain other optimal properties. Categories of admixture. First one is accelerating admixture. These are the admixture to concrete or mortar for the increase the rate of hydration of hydraulic cement is raised, as well as setting time is reduced. And in this, calcium chloride is mostly used for the accelerating admixture. Setting is retarding admixture. These are the admixture which are used to postpone the preliminary rate of hydration of cement and lengthen the setting time of cement paste. And this admixture is useful for higher temperature and where concrete should be transmitted to long distance, and it is utilized for grouting oil well. Third is air entry admixture. In this admixture to generate specific amount of air bubble in concrete mixture, and the admixture in charge the resistance capacity toward the freeze thaw degradation, and this type of admixture concrete is also in charge the devoid of modifying the setting or rate of hardening. Fourth is water reducing admixture. In this type of admixture include water reducer to concrete mixture, mortar or grout for raising the flowability and devoid of engagement of water content. Benefits of water reducing admixture. The rate of concrete placement become speedily. Strength and longevity and density of concrete considerably getting better condition. Segregation, permeability and cracking of concrete structure significantly very minimized. Last is special type of admixtures used in concrete technology, that is superplastic admixture, corrosion inhibiting admixture, grouting admixture.